just unpacking now amanqampu. Yabo istory sikaSjava. Hayi guys, asikho right. To a point where the black was just like, bruh, lo muntu la gazi zangidlwengula. Like, what are you guys even talking about? Umntana but ngimbone eRosebank lo muntu lo uSjava. Elinde, I think them. Oh, girlfriend, angazi guys. Ubehambisa prescription uSjava was playing with the baby. Small baby. Guys, ni business nina udlwengula abantu. Guys, hayibo social media kanti njani? Njani? I've just seen him on Friday in Rosebank at this camp. So now sefana ukuthi umntana abantu unini sedlungulile. Guys, as it's not nice when people are tarnishing your name like this. Njalo nje usuwaziwa nje ngomdlwenguli. Nini guys, icase yakhe futhi Nozama angithi wake wathi uyabona, and then kwa-end up bamdlwengulile, kwa-end up happy guys, kwa-end up sekutholakala ukuthi that was not even true. Uyabona guys ukuthi it's not nice. Angeke kaze uzudume kanjena when every time kuzokwathiwa ene akakhanselwe futhi ke this time akakhanselwe for good. That's not nice. Ngeke kaze uzuthande when they had to do that to you, for example. Mase kuzoba uMacG akakhulumi. Usethi manje ene uMabonga kahambe good riddance. But you know what's crazy about that though? Ukuba usaphila bengakusho lokho ngoba uMabongo wamlanda wathi buti mina ngakhulumi nami lo msangano waleyo channel lakho actually cima everything cima everything ebhalile lapho ngami bangafuni ukukhahlela. So yabona ukuthi ukukhuluma ngabantu guys ngoba bengasekho, it's not nice. Uyasaka hamba vele usigele beyingusa sigeleke uMabonga he must just go. Be trouble like he was nothing akayilutho in life in. Cabanga guys, I was just like wow. King Mrs. Zulu kaZwelithini nayo bese emcimbini futhi eNgwavuma eJozini. And then both the wives were there, and then now they are called wives. Mina ngikhumula kuKhwini Ntokozo umuntu oyiQueen la. Angithi lo munye akazange azashado noMzamo. So mina ngimangala manje futhi useyiQueen. She was also there. How? We get confused all the time. Like mengashadi nomntwana omncane, it's like no. King Mrs. Zulu kaZwelithini is now getting married with a young girl or a young princess to wangapa. Remember I did a video about her in Mpumalanga. Nini futhi usena they having a reunion na umakhosikazi wakhe at Mcimbi. I'm like njani? How? Ungakhohlwa ukuthi uQueen Ntokozo wayengafuni ukuthi bamdivorce, wayesethi ufuna imali ethizeni and wahamba waye Pietermaritzburg to open a case there. And then kwavele kwathiwa no sisi awukwazi ukubamba umuntu can have lots and lots of wives. Yeah, akuphumi kuwena or how many wives he must have. Ukuyibona lo nto abantu they are together now again lapha eNgwavuma in Mcimbi. Imarula festival that happens every year, and then I guess what happens there is that people bring their own beer, I guess. In Marula, obviously it will never be the same. We will never make it the same, and then we just put it there, and then everyone drinks, and then kuba mnandi. I supportana guys out there. Angithi akhumbula ukuthi uPalisa ubese kuyi-channel ka-Owami ekhuluma ngoSomizi ne, and then abantu bamkwatela nini wavula i-YouTube channel yakhe naye, like I told you about that last week. So Owami was on the channel. I'm just like, yo, she's doing so well. Upalisa, I just wanted to give her a big up. So I was Sisi, you are on it. Oh my gosh, like a consistent, it was Jelile, you know. And immediately after she was on Owami, and then she had a channel, like days later, it wasn't even a lot of days. Channel is growing so fast. Owami was on her channel again, just opening up about her mom, how she lost her mom when she was young, and then the whole thing. Jaya Kenan no Babu Akege, as I've said it before, even to a point where the dad got the money from the mom's estate, and somehow I think the dad didn't really share the money with them. And the dad, remember I said on my other video, Uguti Usiswa Owami is 28, and Owami is helping her to go to maintenance for the dad because the dad never really supported them. Guys, so losing a mom, guys, is not nice. No mumdala, I mean, I've always said losing a mom, guys, it's not a nice thing, you know. So sanga bara, it's otherwise. So people, guys, they go through stuff life in. ungabona la ku-YouTube sekudonswana fusek, but I mean at the end of the day people go through some real things, eh? So like I was saying ukuthi buka manje ukuthi sebenjani yena noLin Dakile. uLin manje useboshiswe owami, and then I was even laughing about it and it's actually not funny ukuthi at the end of the day ungadlaleli owami, the fact ukuthi owami can help usisi wakho na-28 ukubambisa ubaba wabo for i-maintenance, wena uzokwenzani lokubhizi ukhuluma ngaye kabi and stuff. So but they're supporting each other, the ladies, guys, which is great.